that this is the normal, this angle is 45 degree, as well as this angle is 45 degree. The ray suffers a 90 degree change in its path, and then here again it suffers the 90 degree change in its path, and the person can observe the object standing here at some depth. And that's why periscope has some advantages. In the trenches, in the submarines, the objects at some height can be observed by the soldiers at some depth. Now, the second application of this periscope is at some crowded places you can observe the things happening at some height besides the huge crowd there. Also, having some advantages, there are some disadvantages of the periscope, and this disadvantages having the signified problems. Now, the first problem is having the two reflections, first is here and second is here. The image observed is of quite bad quality. The third thing is if the environment outside is dusty, then because of the dust coated mirrors, we cannot observe the image of the object. So, now let's have the another thing. This is the multiple reflections, and the multiple reflections have occurred because of the two mirror M1 and M2 at some angle theta. Of course, if some object is placed here, we can see multiple images because of the angled placement of these two mirrors M1 and M2. But how many images we can observe? If 360 by theta value is even, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, then n number of images is equals to 360 upon theta minus 1. And if 360 by theta, this value is odd, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, then number of images depends on the symmetrical and asymmetrical line of the object. Now, what is the symmetrical and asymmetrical placement of the object? If we have the bisector of this angle theta and the object is placed at the bisector at some point, then this placement is called symmetrical placement. While the object which is placed at any point different than the bisector, then the object placement is called asymmetrical. So, if the symmetrical placement of the object is there, then number of images in this case will be n is equals to 360 by theta minus 1, and if a symmetrical object is placed, then n is equals to 360 upon theta. So, let's have an example here. If theta is equals to 90 degree, then 360 by theta is equals to 4, which is an even number, and that's why the number of images formed here is n is equals to 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. So, what we can make, or what can we have the adventure because of these multiple reflections of the mirror. We can form a kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is having the three regular refractory surface which are rectangular in size, and this is folded in such a manner that we have this type of formation of shape. At this face we have the triangular pieces of the glasses or mirror we can say, and the whole one side we have to put for the clear observance of, so that we can clearly observe what happening inside. Before the packing, we have to put some colorful bangle pieces, colorful papers inside the tube, and we have to pack it. Now, through this hole, when we observe inside, because of the multiple images formed at the three mirror surfaces, we can see the beautiful, colorful images of beautiful, colorful images in the kaleidoscope.